Stand-up paddleboarding is one of the UK's fastest growing sports. It's a bit like surfing, but less macho and more relaxing. I had a go at it in the River Stour near Sudbury to see what the fuss is all about.
I've always surfed, but where I live in the area, with the waves, it's not always possible, so paddleboarding is a perfect way to get your fix of water sports. With the paddleboards as well, they're a little bit different to surfboards, so they're a lot more sturdy, and with the paddle as well, it almost acts like a handle and a support. It's a lot easier to learn than something like surfing, and you don't get the disheartening of falling in all the time. With the river being so calm, it's the best place for learners and also the paddleboarders that are always been doing it as well. With the water, you go to places and little hidden gems that you can't see on foot.
The tricky part of paddleboarding is balancing. Try kneeling down to begin with. Then when you're ready to stand up, look ahead in front of you, not down at the board. Bend your knees a bit and make sure your paddle is about 8 inches taller than you. Then simply take a few strokes at a time on either side of the board. To steer quickly, take a couple of steps back and paddle forward in the direction you want to turn. I was really surprised by how easy it is to learn paddleboarding. It's a great way for people of all ages to get out and about, and you can do it in pretty much any body of water. There's even room on the board for a dog, a friend, or a crate of beer. So why not have a go? You probably won't even get wet.